How to fix JBL Xtreme 2 not charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you some of the methods that you can try in order to fix this issue. So first of all, here are some of the things that you can use in order to fix this issue that often work. It could be as simple as a bad USB charging cable. So if you have other charging cables, you can give them a try, but you need to be sure that the cable has the same type of connector as the original one that come with your product. Secondly, you can use the same for the charger. So if your product charges by USB, then you can try a different USB charger. You can even try other electrical outlets at your location to be certain it is not a local wiring issue. Then you can charge the product overnight for at least 8 hours. When you plug the charging cable into the speaker or the headphones, is the connector stable, or can it be wiggled around? If it can be wiggled, this could be indicate that the charging port has been damaged or come loose. Sometimes wiggling the connection restores charging power. So you can try these troubleshooting methods, but if all of these methods doesn't work for you, then I would recommend you to directly contact with the JBL's customer support team. For that, you just have to go to jbl.com and then click on the support button in the top right hand corner, then select the option of chat with us. After waiting for some time, a chat box will open in front of you where you can type your message and you can tell them the problem that you are facing, and the JBL customer support team is going to help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.